In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize knowledge base articles in Hubspot, all within just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and get your knowledge base up and running in no time. First, you'll want to head over to Hubspot's homepage. Once you're there, look for the login button. You can typically find this at the top right corner of the page. Clicking login will prompt you to enter your credentials. So go ahead, enter your email and password and log into your Hubspot account. If you're part of multiple accounts, make sure you select the correct one once you're logged in. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the Hubspot homepage. Here in the top navigation bar, you're going to look for a tab labeled Service. Once you've located it, click on that tab. This is where you can access various customer service tools that HubSpot offers. Now within the service menu, find and click on the knowledge base option. This will take you to the section where all the magic happens. Here you can manage existing knowledge base articles and of course create new ones. Speaking of which, to create a new article, you'll notice a Create Article button, usually located prominently on the screen. Click it, and it will open a fresh template for you to start crafting your very own knowledge article. Once you have your article template open, it's time to let your creativity loose. Start by giving your article a fitting title. This should clearly convey the information or topic you're covering, making it easy for users to find. After that, begin typing the content of your article. Be sure to structure it in a way that's easy to read and understand. Use headings, bullet points, and numbered lists where necessary to organize information logically. The editor also allows you to add images, videos, and links, which can massively enhance the quality and value of your article for the end users. After you've drafted your article, the next step is to customize it to suit your branding and design preferences. You'll find options to adjust fonts, colors, and to incorporate your company's style guide, making your article not only informative but also visually appealing. Once you've finished writing and customizing your article, don't forget to preview it. This gives you a look at how your audience will experience the information. Make any final tweaks if necessary, then go ahead and publish it. Your article will now be accessible to your customers, providing them with valuable information whenever they need it, and there you have it. You've created and customized your knowledge base article in HubSpot. Thanks for watching this step-by-step guide. Feel free to share your thoughts and let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Happy creating!